the panel and the government has been talking about the policy, right? So the policy is basically established to address a lot of challenges in the innovation, and Deputy CM Garu has rightly put, the capital plus innovation is productivity. And both are important, the capital and the innovation, but with respect to the both, I would say for a startup like us, for an innovator, there are a lot of challenges, and I would like to tell you how how we have navigated these challenges and how the policy is going to help navigate this for the future entrepreneurs. When we started off Graviton in the year 2018 and 19, I did an intense research and realized that there were no electric vehicle component manufacturers or the core critical component manufacturing companies in India. And my idea was to develop everything in India so that our vehicles can handle any terrain, that is cities or rural or any part of the country. And what I understood is for that to happen, we need to have full control over the supply chain. And we don't have the control over that supply chain, and we wanted to exactly build that. So we went on, we have taken a very hardship of developing this entire core tech here in India, in Telangana. And what we have developed is a platform. Instead of making one particular look like motorcycle or a scooter, what we have developed is a platform, the tech platform, the core tech platform, with which you can make any kind of, I say, robots. And our first product happens to be a robot on wheels, I say. Why I say robot? Because that's the future, and for any robot, the critical components are very similar to an EV. And coming to the challenges, when I came back to India from US, I assumed that I can go to universities and collaborate with universities to develop these technologies. But what I realized was, unlike US, where the inception of the new tech happens in the university labs, which are funded by either government or the companies or the universities itself. And we don't have that here, which is why you see a lot of new techs coming out of US specifically. And a lot of our engineers, the talent pool from India, the potential people, are traveling to different countries for education and going on to contribute significantly in the tech world. And what I understood was it's not the same case in India. It's completely the reverse. The companies has to develop their own tech,